Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be making sponge cake and we're going to start right away. So we are going to separate the egg white from the egg yolk, and to one bowl we are going to put the egg white and to another the egg yolk.
Give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface, and I could walk for days.
And to the bowl with the egg yolk add some salt and then mix it up. Set that aside for later use. And to the bowl with egg white, whisk it up. Increase the speed gradually from low to high. And we are going to be adding sugar gradually as well. For the measurements, check the description box kindly. So what we are hoping to achieve from this is a stiff peak. By the time we are through with whisking the egg white, we should achieve a stiff peak, and I'll show you that in a moment. So guys, this is the stiff peak that I was talking about. So we are gonna move on and add the 4 egg yolks that we mixed earlier on. And again, mix it up. Do not overmix. Do not overmix. Next up is adding the flour, and make sure you add the flour while sieving it. Sieve the flour so that it is incorporated. For mixing, use the folding method. As you can see, the flour or the mixture is overlapping. That is what I refer to as folding method. So use the folding method as shown in the video. Do not overmix. To another bowl, set aside 30 milliliters of milk and 30 grams of oil, and add a small portion of the cake batter to the milk mixture. Mix that up until you have a pouring consistency. Pouring consistency, meaning that you can pour the mixture and actually it will just pour with ease. And add in gradually to the remaining cake batter as you mix it up so that you can achieve a flowing consistency. I'm gonna show you what a flowing consistency is in a minute. So when you see ribbon-like structures in your batter, that is when you know that your mixture has a flowing consistency. Look at this. So our mixture is ready. If you don't have a baking tin, you can use a sufuria. Just lightly flour it with flour after you have greased it with oil or butter. Check this out. This is what you call a flowing consistency. When you see ribbons or patterns in your batter, that's when you know that you have the right consistency for cake batter. Use a skewer or a toothpick to do this, so that you can remove the air bubbles from the cake batter. Again, tap the tin on the counter so that you can erase the bubbles from the cake batter. When the cake is cool, it should squeeze with ease, hence the name sponge cake. Let me see you on my next one. Till next time, bye!